Latest digital trends. Title tags with keywords have 85% chance of top 5 spot on Google's SERP. Microsoft plans to remove WordPad software from Windows 12. LinkedIn rolls out brand partnership tags. Microsoft Edge update brings an easy tool to capture YouTube screenshots. Microsoft ends Skype for business server support in Teams. Google introduces new limited ads serving policy. Microsoft PowerToys adds new crop and lock feature. Google adds more links in SGE's AI-generated summaries. Google announces plans to invest $1.7 billion in a trio of Central Ohio data centers. X previews coming job ads improvements, including improved discovery and job recommendations. Google expands Duet AI in Google Cloud for app development, DevOps, and more. Meta removes over 21 million bad content on Facebook, Instagram in India, report. YouTube takes action, 1.9 million videos removed in India for norm violations. TikTok Shop ends Shopify integration in push for closed loop. BTS V crosses 10 million monthly listeners on Spotify ahead of Layover album release. For more digital trend visit kiranvaliti.com.